going on, guys? I'm in the shop early this morning. I thought I'd walk you through this new flatbed build that just came in last week. We have our Mighty M. This is our 8 gallon per minute machine. We have custom built. Also, customer needed a soft washing system. This customer will be doing roof cleaning, which I'm going to be talking about in this video. Our soft washing option that we offer here at MVP. Ideally, we don't like stacking rails on flatbeds because of the height, but unfortunately, due to space constrictions, we had to stack his rails here on our custom build steel stack kit that we build in-house. This customer dropped this build off on Friday, late Friday afternoon. As you saw, the team came in, got everything situated, got everything ready. The only thing that we have to do today is we're gonna get another steel frame built up at North Raleigh. Our North Raleigh guys are gonna build us one so we can put around this 55 gallon chem tank that we'll install as well. We'll show you a finished product when it's all built. Customer will have it today. So again, one of the benefits of having us build something is the fact that you get it in and get it out quick. You get on the road, you get to work, you know, no waiting around for a week, 2 weeks. This customer will have this back by the end of the day and he'll be good to go. So guys, I just wanted to share with you some of the features and benefits of our soft washing system that we offer. We call this the roof rig. Basically, it's utilized for cleaning roofs. And essentially, we did this for a number of reasons, but the main reason is for cost effectiveness. Just gonna do a quick little walkthrough of it. I'm also gonna post a link to the instructional video that we had made last year. Our guys made a nice little video, just a simple video that kind of walks you through how to use it, where to set the PSI. So, you know, there is no battery, there is no diaphragm pump included. So really the only materials that will corrode will obviously be your fittings, compression fitting, J-rod, you know, normal stuff, trigger. It's built for chemical. We've sold a number of these this year and they have done excellent. We've had nothing but positive feedback, which again, we get asked all the time, you know, why we don't sell diaphragm pumps. Well guys, we are a local supplier and we've sold diaphragm pumps in years past, but we've had a lot of unfortunate experience with having to replace them because a lot of our customers, when they buy these pieces of equipment, they have a certain expectation for lifespan. Unfortunately, when you're dealing with high concentration of chemical, guys, there is no warranty. There is no way to replace these parts. So again, if you ever wonder why we don't sell gas-powered diaphragm pump setups, that is why. This is something that we build, so if there's any issues with it, we can support it, we can get it taken care of. But this tank is really only meant to hold about 25 gallons of SH. And I know that other systems out there, there are larger quantities that you can hold, but for cost effectiveness, for size, this particular tank was really the best way for us to go. If there's any changes in the future where we can utilize or hold more chemical, of course we'll come out with something else. The other thing is that this only will give you distance-wise about 25 feet max, maybe 30. But it's really not meant for long distance cleaning like you see with other soft washing systems. And of course, when we set these up on trailers or rigs, a lot of times you need a hose reel, right? So of course you got to hold the ag hose. So what we typically recommend, I mean, we sell Haine reels here and we also sell Summit reels. In most cases, the reels that we're going to stock are going to be the Haine reels with stainless hubs for this system. Now there are other custom reels that we have had in the past, but we don't really stock them. Here's one example. This is what's called a hubless reel. This is a Haine as well, but with this reel here, it allows you to feed the line through the hub without actually the chemical touching it, right? So again, that's perfect for a situation where you have a soft washing system and you're feeding in high concentrations of chemical. However, we don't stock that reel. It is rather expensive, but in most cases, we're just going to recommend a Haine reel with a stainless hub. So really quick, as you can see, you just need an air compressor, which there's tons of different types of air compressors out there. You don't need anything fancy, just something you can hook here. And then this is your, outlet for your hose. And of course, we sell the ag hose here, which we outfit with stainless fittings, so it's ready to go. It'll also, the system will come with this right here that you can hook back up to rinse out your lines. So again, I'm going to post the video, the instructional video for this. I hope you guys can take a minute to check it out. It's a really simple, effective video, and I hope that kind of clears up things. But we have a flatbed in the shop right now that we're about to put one of these on. When the flatbed's done, I'll kind of walk you through the setup in this video, and then you can check it out. So appreciate the time, and we'll talk to you guys soon.